Do you know the names of the seasons? Let's take a trip through the year and learn them all. Number 1. Summer. Bright sun, kids eating ice cream, beach or swimming pool. Summer is hot and sunny and it lasts for 3 months. June, July and August. Number 2. Winter. Snow falling, snowman, kids wearing warm clothes. Winter is cold and it lasts for 3 months. December, January, and February. Number 3. Autumn. Leaves changing color, wind blowing, kids playing in leaf piles. Autumn, also called fall, is when leaves turn red, yellow, and orange. And it lasts for 3 months. September, October, and November. Number 4. Spring. Flowers blooming, trees getting green, bees buzzing. Spring is a time when flowers bloom, trees grow new leaves. And it lasts for 3 months. March, April, and May. Thanks for watching.